So for this recipe, I have 1/3 cup of Aquafaba in my mixing bowl, and I'm just going to mix this until it becomes nice and frothy or a little bit foamy. You can also do this with a hand mixer as well as a food processor. And so once the texture looks kind of a little bit foamy like this, then you want to go ahead and slowly drizzle in your oil. So you'll need 2.5 tablespoons of grapeseed, avocado or olive oil, and also 2/3 cups of melted unrefined coconut oil. And I just melted the coconut oil on top of a warm stove. You want to be sure to slowly drizzle it in until it's well combined. I also added in 2 teaspoons of key lime juice and 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and I'm going to pour it into these molds here. That's just a little bit of the splash from the blender that you see inside the molds. And you want to let that sit overnight in your refrigerator or for about 30 minutes in the freezer. Then I went ahead and took them out of the molds the next day, and this is what they look like. They were nice firm sticks of butter, or alkaline butter I should say. And to store these, I've decided to go ahead and wrap them inside of some wax paper, put them in freezer bags for the ones that I'm not going to use, and any ones that you plan on using, you can leave them in your refrigerator. And you want to let them thaw out for about 15 to 20 minutes so that it can be nice, soft, and spreadable. And there you have it.